Countable and uncountable nouns. Countable and uncountable nouns. Amannya g'ebintu ebibalika n'ebitabalika. Amannya g'ebintu ebibalika n'ebitabalika. Hello and welcome. Today we are going to look at countable and uncountable nouns. Amannya g'ebintu ebibalika n'ebitabalika. But if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like and share. Remember, we are learning English and Luganda with ease. Of course, at Benny 2178. Okay, let's start. Countable means something that can be counted in numbers like 1, 2, or 3. Countable means something that can be counted in numbers like 1, 2, or 3, and more. Countable means something that can be counted in numbers like 1, 2, 3, or more. Kitegeeza ekintu ekisobola okubalwa mu nnamba okugeza 1, 2, 3 n'okweyongerayo. Ekintu ekisobola okubalwa mu nnamba okugeza 1, 2, 3 n'okweyongerayo. Countable kitegeeza ekintu ekisobola okubalwa mu nnamba okugeza 1, 2, 3 n'okweyongerayo. Uncountable means something that cannot be counted in numbers. Uncountable means something that cannot be counted in numbers. Uncountable means something that cannot be counted in numbers. Kino kitegeeza ekintu ekitasobola kubalwa mu nnamba. Uncountable kitegeeza ekintu ekitasobola kubalwa mu nnamba. Kitegeeza ekintu ekitasobola kubalwa mu nnamba. So, countable nouns are nouns that can be counted in numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, or more. Countable nouns are nouns that can be counted in numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, or more. Countable nouns are nouns that can be counted in numbers from 1, 2, 3, or more. Countable nouns kitegeeza ebintu ebisobola okubalwa mu nnamba okugeza 1, 2, 3 n'okweyongerayo. Kitegeeza ebintu ebisobola okubalwa mu nnamba okugeza 1, 2, 3 n'okweyongerayo. Ebintu ebisobola okubalwa mu nnamba okugeza 1, 2, 3 n'okweyongerayo. Examples of countable nouns. Examples of countable nouns. Ebyokulabirako ku bintu ebibalwa. Ebyokulabirako ku bintu ebibalwa. Number 1. A cup. Ekikopo. A cup. Ekikopo. 2 cups. Ebikopo bibiri. 2 cups. Ebikopo bibiri. Hope you can see. 1 cup, a cup, 2 cups, ebikopo bibiri, and more. Okay, let's proceed. A book. Ekitabo. A book. Ekitabo. 3 books. Ebitabo bisatu. 3 books. Ebitabo bisatu. A bottle. Echupa. A bottle. Echupa. 5 bottles. Echupa tano. 5 bottles. Echupa tano. And for further reference on numbers in English and Luganda, refer to the video above. Numbers in Luganda are a number. Okay, let's proceed. A jerrycan. Ekidomola. A jerrycan. Ekidomola. 4 jerrycans. Ebidomola bitano. 4 jerrycans. Ebidomola bina. 4 jerrycans. Ebidomola bina. A ruler. Ruler emu. A ruler. Ruler emu. 2 rulers. Ruler biri. 2 rulers. Ruler biri. A bag. Ensawo emu. A bag. Ensawo emu. 6 bags. Ensawo mukaaga. 6 bags. Ensawo mukaaga. Uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns. Ebintu ebitasobola kubalwa. Ebintu ebitasobola kubalwa. Uncountable nouns, these cannot be counted. Uncountable nouns, these cannot be counted. Ebintu bino tebisobola kubalwa. Ebintu bino tebisobola kubalwa. So the difference between countable and uncountable, for countable, they can be counted in numbers, while uncountable, they cannot be counted. Uncountable, ebintu ebitasobola kubalwa. Examples of uncountable nouns. Examples of uncountable nouns. Ebyokulabirako. Examples. Ebyokulabirako. Number 1. Water. Amazzi. Water. Amazzi. Water. Amazzi. Air. Omukka. Air. Omukka. Air. Omukka. Rice. Omuceere. Rice. Omuceere. Rice. Omuceere. Sugar. Sukaali. Sugar. Sukaali. Sugar. Sukaali. Salt. Omunnyo. Salt. Omunnyo. Salt. Omunnyo. Hope you can see that the uncountable nouns cannot be counted. You cannot count water, air, sugar, or rice. But note, these uncountable nouns are measured and can be expressed in kilograms, cubic meters, or liters. Note, these uncountable nouns are measured and can be expressed in kilograms, cubic meters, or liters. These uncountable nouns are measured and can be expressed in kilograms, cubic meters, or liters. Bino ebintu bipimibwa mu kilograms, cubic meters, oba liters. Bino ebintu bipimibwa mu kilograms, cubic meters oba liters. Bino ebintu bipimibwa mu kilograms, cubic meters oba liters. Okay, thanks very much for watching my video. We shall continue on with examples on how to use countable or uncountable nouns in the next video. Bye bye. Weraba.